What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Samsung has again started pushing some updates for its applications, and there is one app which has got a massive update which we will check out in today's video. But before that, if you want to stay updated with all the new updates, the new features, tips and tricks, etc., be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of this community, and don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video informative. Now let's dive into the video. Let's go to the Galaxy Store, and you can see we have got 3 new updates for the applications here. Samsung Call has got an update, Samsung Notes has got an update, and Samsung Language Core has got an update. Now these updates, we just got the newer version. We don't have any changes or new features here. You can see the latest phone app is 17.6.00.134, and the update was received on 5th May. And the Samsung Notes application, this is 4.4.40.11 is the latest version. 150 MB is the update size. But what's more interesting is Samsung Language Core. Now check this out. Check out the update size here. It's massive. It's 3196.51 MB, and the update was released on the S25 series on 4th May. And a couple of days ago, we did get this update on the S26 series as well. And maybe on the S24 series, we are going to get it very, very soon. Or maybe you would have already received it. Let me know if you've got this update or not. The latest Samsung Language Core version is 3.0.00.19. This is a very important update because this is the application which runs all your AI services. Now let me just show you the description here. Samsung Language Core powers AI features in Samsung applications with advanced language understanding and generation capabilities, all while running entirely offline to keep your data safe and secure on your device. Now that is the reason why this update is so massive. It's more than 3 GB because this application runs entirely offline to keep your data safe and secure on your device. Now with Samsung Core, you can enhance your writing with grammar and spelling suggestions on the keyboard that we get insights into your overall health based on your energy scores, sleep data, and more in Samsung Health, receive smart, context-aware reply suggestions for messages shown in the notification panel, summarize call and voice recordings in the phone and voice recording applications, stay on top of your day with bite-sized summaries and key insights at the top of your Now Brief, find photos faster in gallery with natural language searches like Skylar wearing a pink cowboy hat yesterday, just an example. See short reports about the energy consumption in your home and tips to reduce your energy use in smart things. Now this particular application or the Samsung Language Core is available across all these services, all these system features, and it's a very, very important update that you need to make sure you install it on your device as soon as you see it. So go ahead, check out this update and install it on your Galaxy phone. That'll make your phone run smoother when it comes to the AI features. So go ahead and update the device. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm eagerly waiting for One UI 8.5 stable version for this S25 series here. As soon as we get it, I will be posting a detailed video and you guys would be benefited. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of this community. Hit that like button if you want to appreciate the effort that goes into all these videos. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.